There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, MKBHD. You already know, tech videos, YouTube.
Happy to be here.
We're lucky enough to have him here today, so I thought to myself, you know, we need to get to the bottom of some topics since, as you know, MKBHD is the authority on various technology topics on the internet.
Hey, what is up guys? MKBHD here.
We've got something exciting here. I mean, you obviously know it's all about these folding phones right now. The next Samsung folding phone, and of course it was the Royale or Royale.
FlexPi, Royale.
FlexPi. I mean, I have trouble with that one. I was real skeptical of that one. I didn't see it at CES.
I played with it at CES. Let's just say foldable phones aren't ready.
No.
And that was proof.
You want to reward ambitious projects in tech because we're handling all these slabs that are the same.
Yeah, I feel bad because everyone's saying, oh, all the phones are the same now. They all look the same. Everyone's got a notch and dual cameras and glass, and you kind of want some interesting new thing to talk about, and they did that. But then I look at it and I use it and I have to tell the truth, which is, it's not that great.
Don't put this thing in your pocket.
This is not the one.
Today, and you haven't seen this clip yet,
This is
so
new.
this is breaking.
Okay.
It's the president of
Co-founder and
Xiaomi,
president.
and they made this video right here of their working prototype of how they envision a folding phone.
Here we go.
Here you go. This is the magic moment.
Okay.
It was a double fold on the back.
Oh. Whoa. Why? Huh.
I don't know. They're getting a lot of love for this particular design. People are saying, this seems closer. The idea of popping it open and having a slightly larger display, like, is that enough to justify this very weird form factor the rest of the time, this sandwich mode? Is this the product that's going to break open the doors for the future of folding phones?
I don't know if I can say yes, but I like the idea where like they folded it and it went from tablet mode to smaller tablet mode. It made more sense than what I've seen so far. This isn't making me go, oh, that's why I want a folding phone. You know, I'm
Right.
kind of still waiting for that moment. I think what I saw was I think it was also a patent application. You remember the Razr, that flip phone? But it was like a version of the Razr with touchscreen all the way and you could fold it in half. So it was like a new Razr and it was a folding display. And I said, oh, that's like the one interesting way I could see a foldable display being useful, having that flip phone feel back. People loved flip phones. We've gone away from that, but now if you have a folding display, you could maybe build all the components around it and have a flip phone again. I'm interested to keep seeing these different versions and we'll eventually get some.
Yeah, and I think the difference in this case, or the reason that this one's generating a little bit more interest, is because of the company doing it. Like Xiaomi they seem capable. Like if someone was going to do it.
You didn't believe in the FlexPi Royale?
Exactly. That was not the most confidence-inspiring brand.
Yeah.
No offense, obviously, but a newcomer to this particular space. Xiaomi, on the other hand, they're pumping out smartphones, like some new models all the time.
You know what's weird about the floating phone or the folding phone thing is when you fold it over, the back of the phone stays lit up. That's happening here. That's happening in the prototypes I've seen. But it makes me feel like just turn the back off, right? So that you don't feel like you're doing accidental touches.
Yeah, no, I mean, you're probably right from like a user experience standpoint. It does seem odd to have this display that you're not looking at on the back.
Yeah.
But then you get this weird side of it, which is anyone who has one of these phones, who spends whatever amount of money is going to be necessary to pick one of these, is going to want the world to know that their screen folds.
That's fair.
So I don't know. Here's my thing. I'm kind of with you in the early part of the discussion here. I haven't seen the killer application yet. Like, why? Yeah. What is the big? I get it. You have a slightly bigger display. Like in this case, when he has it unfolded.
Yeah.
But you look at some of the big phones out there. They're 6.5, 7 inches already. So if you scale up to like an 8-inch display for tablet mode, like what are you getting in exchange?
Yeah.
It's not enough until somebody showcases maybe a pen input, maybe some other input method, or some type of application where it's like, oh, that's compelling.
Yeah. I think the why is like we can keep having these light bulb moments about, oh, that's a different way to use a folding screen. But generally, since we only have these couple prototypes, my conclusion is foldable phones aren't ready yet. Proof of concepts kind of remind me of the beginnings of other things like OLED and, I don't know, 3D had its day, but like we're trying to figure out if this is permanent. I think we're yet to have that light bulb moment.
Yeah, we're still stuck in, oh, it's cool.
Yeah.
A screen is folding. Screens aren't supposed to fold.
I'm still not seeing that feature, but it is cool tech.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.